This trick teaches your puppy to lie down on cue. We're going to again use our clicker to let the puppy know when he's performed correctly. I'm going to again use my clicker to help Jada know the exact moment that she achieved the correct position. I'm going to start with her in a sit. Jady, sit. And I've got a treat in my hand. I'm not going to let her have the treat yet. I'm going to take it from her nose and move it quickly down to the ground. As soon as I feel she's achieved that down position, I'm going to click and let her have the treat. So move it quickly down. She didn't quite go down. I'm going to move the treat away a little bit. Click and let her have the treat. I'm keeping the treat covered so she can't actually get to it. So starting from a sit, sit, and down. Move the treat away a little bit. Click and let her have the treat. Dogs sometimes go down a little bit funny one way or the other, so sometimes you have to move the treat toward them, sometimes away from them. Sit, down, move it away, click and let her have the treat. Very good. Now some puppies aren't going to like doing a down on a hard surface like a wood floor, and they may only do a down on a carpet or a towel, so you may want to give that a try. All right, let's give that a try with some other puppies. Down. Good job. Good. Down. Good. That's very good. Down. Good. Good job. Good. Let's do one more. Sit. Now that you've given this trick a name, down, don't confuse your puppy by using that word to mean other things. When you want your puppy to get off the couch or to stop jumping on you, use the word off instead of down. Once your puppy is able to follow your lure into the down position, it's time to start fading the lure. So this time I'm not going to have a treat in my hand. I'm just going to say down and move my hand to the ground. Second, she lied down, clicked, and gave her the treat. Very good. One more time. Use my hand to guide her down. Down. Click and give her the treat. As she gets better, I won't have to put my hand all the way to the ground anymore. My hand signal is just going to become a motion toward the ground. Very nice. Good. And one more time. Can you sit? And down. Good girl. Let's recap this trick.